Chapter 13. Distya Bhograhranam Swantam. This excerpt has been taken from Mahakavi Bhasha's three-act play, Panchtantram. In the composition of this play, Bhasha has dismissed the destructive war of Mahabharata. When the period of the Pandavas being incognita is about to get over, Duryodhan performs a yagna. The Acharya at this yagna is Guru Drona. As Dakshina, Drona asks Duryodhana to give half the kingdom to the Pandavas. Duryodhana does not accept this, but Shakuni makes him accept it with a condition. The condition is that the Pandavas should be traced in 5 days. In this background, on the advice of Bhishma, the Kauravas lead their army against the city of Virata and carry away their cows. In order to stop this stealing of the cows, Bhima disguised as Ballava and Arjuna as Brihannala help the Virat king and successfully drive out the Kauravas. They also get hold of Abhimanyu. An edited version of what takes place at the court of the Virata king is presented here. Abhimanyu cannot recognize his father and uncle who are in disguise. The attempts of both the elders to tease Abhimanyu through this conversation is really humorous. This conversation will really entertain each one in the audience. With Abhimanyu as the cause, the Virata king also comes to know of the true identity of the Pandavas. As Pandavas has been traced within 5 nights, Duryodhana, as advised by Drona, gives half the kingdom. In this way, war is averted. As all these events take place within 5 nights, the play has the title Panchratram. Pravishya. भटः वदति जयतु महाराजः प्रियं निवेदये महाराजाय अवजितं गोग्रहणम् अपायाताः धृतराष्ट्राः. Bhatt says, May His Majesty be victorious. I convey something pleasing to His Majesty. Stealing of cows has been foiled. That is one. The Kauravas, sons of Dhritarashtra, went away. Rajah vadati. अपूर्व इवते हर्षः ब्रूहि केनाशि विस्मितः. King says, Your joy is indeed unprecedented. Tell me what is it by which you are surprised. भटः वदति अश्रद्धेयं प्रियं प्राप्तं शोभद्र ग्रहणं गतः. Bhatt says, Unbelievably glad some news is received. Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, is captured. Raja vadati. Katham idaninam gruhitah. King says, Now how was be captured? Bhatt vadati. Ratmasadya nishakam bahubhyam avataritah. Bhatt says, Reaching his chariot, he was brought down in arms without fear. Raja vadati. Ken? King says, By whom? Bhatt vadati. यह किलेश नरेंद्रेण महानसे विनियुक्तो बल्लवः तेन. Bhatt says, Indeed by this Ballava, who was appointed in the kitchen by His Majesty. Raja vadati. तेन हि सत्कृत्य प्रवेश्याताम् अभिमन्युः. बृहन्नल्ले प्रवेश्याताम् अभिमन्युः. King says, Then let Abhimanyu be brought in having treated him with honor. Bruhnalla. Bring Abhimanyu in. Bruhnalla vadati. Yada gnapayati maharajah. Nishkranta. Tatah pravishati Abhimanyuh. Bruhnalla ballavah cha. Bruhnalla says, Whatever His Majesty orders exist. Then enter Abhimanyu, Bruhnalla and Ballava. Bruhnalla vadati. Itah kumara. Abhimanyu. Bruhnalla says, Here, by this side, O Prince Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu vadati. Abhimanyu nam. Katham. Abhimanyu namaham. Boho, kim namabhihi. Abhibhashante kshatriyaha atra. Abhimanyu says, Did you indeed a Abhimanyu? How come? I am Abhimanyu. Oh, are kshatriyas addressed here by their first names? Bruhnalla vadati. Abhimanyu, Shukham aste te janani? Bruhnalla says, O Abhimanyu, is your mother happy? Abhimanyu vadati. Katham. Janini nam. किं भवान् धर्मराजो मे भीमसेनो धनञ्जयः यन्माम पितृवदाक्रम्य स्त्रीगतां पृच्छसे कथाम्. Abhimanyu says, What did you say? My mother? Are you Dharmaraja or Bhimasen or Dhananjaya that you are asking about the news concerning the lady approaching me like my father? Brunalla vadati, Abhimanyu, api kushali deviki putra Keshavaha. Brunalla says, O Abhimanyu, is Krishna, the son of Devaki, happy? Abhimanyu vadati, कथम तत्र भवन्तम् अपि नाम्ना अथ किम कुशली भवतः संसृष्टः उभयो परस्परम् अवलोकयतः. Abhimanyu says, Why, are you also asking about the revered person by name? Yes, certainly. Your relative is doing well. Both look at each other. Abhimanyu vadati, Katham idanim savagnam iva mam hashyate. Abhimanyu says, Now why are you laughing at me sarcastically? Brunalla vadati, Na khalu kischita, tvam tu parthaputraha, janardanaha tava matulaha, tvam cha tarunaha, tathapi tena padatina gruhitaha. Brunalla says, Indeed, it is nothing important, but you are the son of Partha. Krishna is your maternal uncle, and you are young. Even then you were captured by that foot soldier. Abhimanyu vadati, Alam swachchanda pralapena, Ashmakam kule atmasladha uchita nasti, Ranbhumo hateshu sharana pashya, Mam vina namantaram na bhavishyati. Abhimanyu says, Enough of this loose talk. In our family, praising self is not considered proper. See the arrow struck into those who were killed on the battlefield. No other name except mine will be found there. Brunalla vadati, Atmagatama, Samyak aha kumaraha, Prakasham, Evam, Vakya Shondiryam, Kimarthatena padatina gruhitaha. Brunalla says, To himself Prince is saying what is right. Aloud, this bravery naughtiness in speech. Why were you captured by that foot soldier? Abhimanyu vadati, Ashastro mam abhikatashta to asmi, grahanam gataha. Abhimanyu says, He came to me without any weapon, so I found myself captured. Raja vadati, Tvaryatam Abhimanyuhu. King says, Let Abhimanyu hurry up. Brunallaha vadati, Itaha kumara, Eshaha maharajaha, Upsarpatu kumaraha. Brunalla says, Here, this way, Prince. Here is His Majesty. May Prince approach him. Abhimanyu vadati, Aha kashya maharajaha. Abhimanyu says, Who's king? Brunalla vadati, Na, Brahmanena shahaste. Brunalla says, No, he is sitting with a Brahmin. Abhimanyu vadati, Brahmaneneti, Upgamya, Bhagwan Abhivadaye. Abhimanyu says, Did you say with a Brahmin? Approaching, Lord, here I am bowing down. Bhagwan vadati, Ehi vatsa. Bhagwan says, Come on, child. Abhimanyu vadati, Anugruhitaha ashmi. Abhimanyu says, I am obliged. Raja vadati, Ehi putra, Atmagatam, Katham mam nabhivadayati, Aho utsitkaha khalu ayam kshatriya kumaraha, Aham ayasya darpa prashmanam karomi, Prakasham, Atha kenayam gruhitaha. King says, Come on, son, to himself. How is it that he is not bowing down to me? The Kshatriya prince is indeed impudent. I shall subdue his pride. Aloud, now by whom was this captured? Bhimsenaha vadati, Maharaj, maya ballavena. Bhimsen says, Your Majesty, by me, by Ballava. Abhimanyu vadati, Ashastrena iti kathyatam. Abhimanyu says, Let it be told by you who were not carrying any weapon. भीमसेनः वदति शान्तं पापं सहजो मे प्रहरणं भुजो धनुः तु दुर्बलेः गृह्यते. Bhimsen says, God forbid, my arms are my natural weapons. A bow is carried by the weaklings. Abhimanyu vadati, Kim bhavan mama madhyamah tatah, yah tatulyam vadati. Abhimanyu says, Are you my middle father who speaks like that? Raja vadati, Putra, kaha ayam madhyamah nama. King says, Son, who indeed is this, the middle one? Abhimanyu vadati, Shruyatam, यह खलु जरासंधं पश्चत्वं अनयत सह ततः प्रविशति उत्तरः. Abhimanyu says, Listen, he who indeed killed Jarasandha, there enters Uttara. Uttarah vadati, Tat abhivadaye. Uttara says, Father, I bow down. Raja vadati, Ayushman bhava putra. Api pujitaha krutkarmanaha yodhaha. King says, Son, may you live long. Are the soldiers who performed heroic deeds honored well? Uttarah vadati, Pujitaha pujyatamasya kriyatam puja. Uttara says, They are honored. Let the one who is most worthy to be honored be honored. Raja vadati, Putra Kashya. King says, Son, who? Uttarah vadati, Ihatra bhavatah Dhananjayasya. Uttara says, Dhananjaya, the revered one who is here. Raja vadati, Katham Dhananjayasya iti. King says, What do you say Dhananjaya? Uttarah vadati, Atha kima, atra bhavata smashanata nich dhanuhu tuni, chakshay shayake chadaya. Bhishmadayah nrupaha bhagnaha vayam cha parirakshita. Uttara says, Yes, taking his bow, 2 quivers and innumerable arrows. From the crematorium, Bhishma and other kings were defeated and we were protected by these revered men. Raja vadati, Evam etat. King says, Is it like this? Brunalla vadati, Prashidatu Maharajaha. Brunalla says, May his majesty be pleased. Uttarah vadati, Vyapanyatu shankama, Ayam eva dhanurdharaha Dhananjayaha. Uttara says, Do away with doubt. This is surely Dhananjaya, the archer. Brunalla vadati, Yadi aham Arjunaha tarhi ayam Bhimsenaha, Ayam cha Raja Yudhishthiraha. Brunalla says, If I am Arjuna, then this is Bhimsen and this is King Yudhishthira. Abhimanyu vadati, Iha atra bhavantah me pitaraha, ten khalo, na rushyanti maya, क्षिप्ता हसंतश्च क्षिपन्ति माम दिष्ट्या गोग्रहणं श्वन्तं पितरो येन दर्शिताः इति कर्मेण सर्वान् प्रणमति सर्वे तस्मै आशीर्वादान् वदन्ति. Abhimanyu says, Here, these are my fathers. Then indeed, they don't get angry when insulted by me and they insult me while laughing luckily. The expedition of stealing the cows ended well, for it showed that is me, my father. So saying, he bows down to each one in turn. All of them bless him.